This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker SPCE or Virgin Galactic. So big move down today. No surprise, markets are getting battered. But Spce is down 5.65% right now. And it's been pretty ugly. You can see at the start of the chart, they were up around the $6 level. They had several touches at the $6 level. And then they've had a massive dump here. If you go back to late June, this thing had this hard pump here when they kind of took off, started flying people to space, and since then it has been a massive dump, and it just bled through a key support level here on the daily time frame around $3. And in the past, I've traded this stock. I did a couple swing trades on it. One of them was pretty good. I think I made 200%. And then when they died off, I bought back in, and I just kept holding. And kind of the point that I got out was when they did the $400 million offering. Now that they're like finally flying to space, they're finally getting people in space, and they're doing these monthly space flights, and now they're going to go out and try to expand the space fleet and dilute the shareholders to the tune of $400 million. So that's where I exited Spce. I'm no longer holding and just kind of looking at their projections for the rest of 2023. I'm not going to be buying anytime soon, because if we come in here and we look at some of the recent earnings information, they had $2 million in revenue for the second quarter, and it looks like they are predicting revenue to be much lower. So for the second quarter, you can see they had $2 million in revenue, but their expectations for quarter 3 and quarter 4 is half of that. So it says revenue for each of third quarter and fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be approximately $1 million. So we're going to have a big drop off in revenue here. I'm not really seeing anything good happening the rest of the year with these remaining earnings reports, unless they're trying to set us up for a surprise or something. But to go from $2 million in revenue there to cut that in half, quarter 3 and quarter 4, I don't really see any good earnings reports coming out the rest of this year. So definitely not going to be buying this stock. They are projecting to also have free cash flow for quarter 3 and quarter 4, negative 120 million to negative 130 million. And if we go into like Yahoo Finance here, and let's take a look at cash flow, and on the quarterly, that's kind of where their free cash flow has been the last several quarters. It'll be a little lower maybe, but they've been at what, negative 135, negative 138, negative 135 million in free cash flow the last 3 quarters. So maybe a very slight improvement there on free cash flow, but expecting lower revenue. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker SPCE or Virgin Galactic. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.